Today, we are going to learn about the capybara. First, we will learn 7 important words about the capybara. Under the words, you will see green dots. These dots show the syllables in each word. Capybara. 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 The capybara is so cute. Habitat. Habitat. A habitat is the place where an animal lives. Rodent. Rodent. A rodent is a type of animal with sharp front teeth that keep growing. Mice, rats, and capybaras are all rodents. Swim. Swim. Capybaras love to swim. Herbivore. Herbivore. A herbivore is an animal that eats only plants, like grass, fruits, and vegetables. Nutrients. Nutrients. Nutrients are the things in food that help us grow and stay healthy. Social. Social. Being social is when animals like to be with other animals and play together. Capybaras live in South America. Their habitat is near water, like rivers and lakes. When they swim, they can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Now, let's talk about food. Capybaras are herbivores. This means they eat plants. They love eating grass, fruits, and vegetables. Sometimes they even eat their own poop to get more nutrients. Yuck, right? Capybaras are social animals. They live in groups that can have up to 20 capybaras. Capybaras can also be friends with other animals like cats, monkeys, and even birds. Did you know that capybaras can weigh up to 150 pounds? That's like the weight of a small dog. Wow! We learned so much about capybaras today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the capybara as much as I did. You have 5 seconds to answer the questions. What is this? Capybara. What is this? Habitat. What is this? Rodent. What is this? Swim. What is this? Herbivore. What is this? Nutrients. What is this? Social.